Hello, time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to defeat or beat the Crimson Nightmare. Now this guy can be pretty challenging. First you want to make sure to equip a mask that you can find from the minions that you'll kill. Make sure to equip that and that'll protect you from his smoke. And then you want to clear out the battlefield first before you tackle the Crimson Nightmare. And depending on how you approach this, I decided to just run through camp and then get right into the battlefield. And so you might have more or less of these guys on the battlefield to deal with than I do. Just depends on how you approached it. And then you want to clear out all those guys first and just kind of dodge away from the Crimson Nightmare's attacks if you can. They don't do a whole ton of damage with one attack, so if you do get hit, just make sure to have some plenty of food that you can eat and heal up while you're getting rid of these little minion dudes. And again, you may or may not have this many guys to deal with in your battle. It just depends on how you approached it from the get-go. Okay, and the Crimson Nightmare, he's in that cloud, and you can't really do any damage to him while he's in that cloud. And so the name of the game is we're going to try to get him out of that cloud. Let me finish taking care of these dudes on the battlefield here. Just a couple left. And those guys are pretty easy to kill. And you can dodge, if you can time it correctly, you can dodge away from those attacks from the Crimson Desert. You can also block it with your shield, those little fireball things that come out from him, from it. Let me just kill this last dude here. Last couple guys. Oh, there's one more over here. Let's get rid of him. Alright, now, to go after this Crimson Desert, you're going to have to use your Axiom Force. And you want to grab it. And sometimes it's kind of difficult to to focus it on him in order, or it to grab it. Like I have a hard time anyway. Maybe you'll have an easier time than me. Oh, there you go. And then you're going to have to pull it. Pull it away out of that cloud, just like that. And then you're going to go up to him when it's on the ground. It's kind of yellow right there. And then just keep attacking that thing. You should be able to get 4 or 5 strong hits. And then it's going to be red again. And it's going to be invulnerable from your attacks. Okay? And so you're going to have to just dodge away. Oh, sometimes I just pull out that the bow. And then, yep, there you go. When he's on the ground like that, it's kind of easier to grab him. Pull him out, and then breaks his little invulnerability, and then he'll be yellow, and that's when you can do damage. So just keep doing that. Get about 4 or 5 strong hits on him, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can get several on him before it goes back up in the cloud and turns red. And move away and dodge and jump and heal when you need to. And then the other guys surrounding the battlefield aren't going to really attack you anymore. They're just going to be watching. Oh, I missed it. There we go. Come on. Yep, I can't get it. Dodge away. Move out of the way. There we go. And you're going to just pull that thing back. And then he's on the ground. And go attack it. And then you do have more stamina, the better, because you can just keep doing big, heavy attacks, and eventually you'll just take him out. So he's not terribly difficult. Again, just clear all the guys on the battlefield first, and then use that Axiom Force to grab him, pull him down, and then he'll turn yellow, and that's when you can do damage to it. All right, hopefully this is helpful. If you're struggling, let me know if it was helpful or not. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.